If you're on my channel watching this video now, it simply means you have one issues or the other or one question to ask about Haven1 Testnet. And don't worry, whichever it might be, I got you covered in this video. All you simply have to do is pay good attention. Now we're going to be addressing four main things or four main issues regarding Haven1 or four main questions regarding Haven1, the testnet, the wallet connection, whatever it may be. And the first thing here, is it necessary or is it compulsory to do the testnet? Because I get these questions a lot from the last video I made showing people how to complete the testnet, and due to the issues people are getting, they're asking questions like, is it compulsory to do this testnet before connecting your wallet? I'm going to be addressing that in this video. Now the second thing is the wallet connection still ongoing? People still want to know if they can still connect their wallet address for withdrawal now, or how to do that. That will be the second thing I'll be addressing in this video. Now the third thing again is, if the wallet connection is still ongoing, how do you connect or how do you withdraw your Haven1 to your wallet? So I'm going to be addressing that in this video also. And the last thing on my list here is, why is your KYC rejected or your KYC rejected on your testnet page? Because a lot of people that did that KYC, Nigerians specifically, their KYC got rejected. I'm going to be showing you why and how you can resolve that issue in this video. So all you have to do is stick with me and let's get into it. Now the first thing, is it compulsory to do the testnet? If you go to your Satoshi app right now, you open up the app, then you go to this project section on your page, you are going to see the list of airdrops that you are mining on. Look at, these are the list here. So you look for Haven1 and click on this view details. Once you open on the view details, you scroll up and you're going to see about projects. So this is where they tell you what their project is about, their plans and the likes. If you look here, this is where they talk about the testnet. So you can see, if you look at this number 3, this is how you join the testnet. You can join by clicking or copying this link. This is their www.haven1.org. This is the link you use for the testnet. And that is basically that. I've made a detailed video on how to complete this your testnet. For those of you that have not done it and you still want to do it, check the top of your screen as you're watching this video now. I've pinned another of my video there where I explained or showed you guys in the tutorial how to do your testnet, be it on MetaMask or on Mrs. Browser. It works the same way. Now, what they are saying here is, if you read well with me, the testnet is not actually compulsory, but it is very, very necessary. Because according to them, with this testnet, you'll be able to earn more tokens and you'll be able to get more of your allocations by engaging with tasks or with activities on the testnet page. So only those that do this testnet will be able to engage in activities, and only by engaging in activities will you be able to increase your balance. So let's say, for instance, you mine 30,000 Haven tokens on your Satoshi app. If you place withdrawal by connecting your wallet, what they are going to send to you will be 30,000 tokens. But then if you participate in this testnet, they might increase it to like 40,000 or 50,000. So in essence, you are getting extra tokens simply by engaging or interacting within that testnet. So in essence, if you do not participate or if you do not engage, you are not going to be getting anything extra. Your exact coins is what they are going to be sending to you. That is my take on this. So if you ask me now, I'll say it is not actually compulsory. You can go ahead and link your wallet address straight up without doing the testnet. But again, this is not a financial advice. Do your research properly. And you know, airdrops can be funny at times. They can make a rules today and then tomorrow they change. So today now, it might actually not be a compulsory requirement, and then tomorrow they come out to say it is a requirement that you must do it. So if I were you, my best advice is, regardless, go and do it, so that we will not hear stories that touches the heart. So that is just that about that. Now the second thing here is the wallet connection still ongoing? Yes, as of now, the wallet connection is not closed. And let me show you on this your Satoshi app again. If you go to this me section, you are going to see this your assets here. So you click on this see all, you scroll up and locate your Haven1. Look at it here. So once I open it up, you wait for this page to load up and you can see it switches to link wallet address. So that simply tells you that you can still link your wallet address. If I should click on this page now, you can see I can put in my wallet address right now, put in my asset password, and then link. For those of you that have linked already and then it is still showing you to link your wallet address, do not panic. That is how it is. And they left it that way simply because they want you, in case if you want to change your wallet address, they give you the permission or the option to be able to change it as any time you want. So if you have linked your wallet address and you got that success message, just as I did in my video, you do not need to come and relink again. Your wallet address has been linked successfully. For those of you that will be asking questions like this page is supposed to change or whatever, no, it's supposed to be like this until they close it, until they close the linking of wallet address. So that is just basic way. Now, for those of you that will also ask questions like, you've linked your wallet address successfully, when will they send your tokens, or why haven't you received your tokens on MetaMask? What it is linking of wallet address, not withdrawal. They are not sending tokens yet. If time reaches for them to send tokens, they are going to move this your tokens. As you can see, my available balance here, they are going to move it into your frozen and then hence into your wallet. So it is not time for distribution yet. They're going to design a specific or a special time for distribution and for their listing. So currently, as at this time, all you can do now is to link your wallet address. You won't be getting your tokens in your wallet. And I think that should solve the questions. With that, I've answered 2 questions. Is the wallet connection still ongoing? And if it is still ongoing, how do you withdraw? So you've seen the basic and simple way to do the both. Now to the last on my list here. Why is your KYC rejected? For those of you that did Haven1 KYC Testnet, you did everything successfully by providing your email for registration. You submitted your ID documents, you did your face verification, and after waiting 24 hours, you still come back to the page to see this rejection message. So what I have to tell you now is maybe they do not recognize our documents, because I noticed that people that are having these issues are mostly Nigerians. So maybe our ID for verification is not currently recognized by them. We do not know. We do not know. And if you see on this page, they are not providing any extra option for you to be able to change. Now, before we proceed, I just remembered, make sure you use the link in the description box of this video to join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel so you stay updated for more updates like this. It's very important you follow a community, and I have a good one for that. And in my next video, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your CTO to USDT. A lot of you have been asking, how do I withdraw? How do I convert? Is it listed? I'm going to answer all of your questions in that video. So as we're saying, it's like they do not recognize the documents we use in Nigeria. As for me, I use my premium NIN slip. Some other people use voters card and the likes like that. So I don't know. The rejection is too much. Even I myself, I got rejected. And currently there is no solution for that. So my best advice is just make sure you do the KYC testnet, at least the registration with the email. Do your verification. If you get rejected, do not panic. Just do it. Connect your wallet address and then keep your fingers crossed for more updates. It's as simple as that. If you like what we do here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we upload a new video.